Hello, it's John. Hello, it's John. Well, I've gone and bought a new stove for camping, and it's just arrived from Amazon, so we'll get it out and have a look. And this is what we've got. A Vango blade, 2-burner stove. So, we put these on. They just slide into those slots. There for the pans to go on. Now the reason I've got this kind of stove is for when me and the wife go camping, and it's 2-burner, but also it's got a hose that fits on. Can you see it just there? You screw the hose on, and it fits onto what I call a normal gas pot, what I use for camping. So I'm always going to have one of these about. Do it with my other hand. Here we go. So we should be good to go, really. Can't smell any gas. And we're going. So turn my gas bottle on. Bit windy today, and down here we've got the on-off knobs. And we're going. So we've got the water boiling. And there we go. Turn the gas off. Nice hot water. And a nice cuppa. I've got to say that was the easiest demo I've ever done. Thank you, Vango. And I've turned my gas bottle off. Apparently it's got an auto shut off as well, and I think it's a really neat little thing. Not too big either. Could take that bike camping with me. Thanks for watching my video.